So and this event is a great event for education, great event for STEM education specifically, to get people excited about drones and understanding what drone technology entails and what people need to do.
It's a cool event because not only am I a journalist where I shoot stuff on the ground, I love flying. I have a private pilot's license, and I'm able to mix my love of photography with flying, and the drones are kind of perfect for that. But it's cool to see everybody out here excited about the same thing. And not only photography, like I'm into photography. That's just one little aspect of the drones.
I love it. I love seeing enthusiasm from the teachers knowing and educators knowing that they're going to bring this back to their students and that their students can actually get hands-on experience that's going to help them to prepare for these careers.
I think these activities mean to me, just like how we were talking inside the classroom, that girls don't obviously have they have many opportunities, but some of them are really shy since this industry is mostly around guys, and only like a couple of percentage of girls actually join drone programs or actually go in the engineering field, and it's just really sad to see. And I hope that with these type of programs announcing for girls to just join engineering, drone, or anything, we can try to recruit more girls, and yeah.
Events like this personally mean exposure, and it personally means networking. I've gotten the chance to meet so many amazing people and just hear about amazing opportunities, and I think that that's so important, because if we don't network, then we really won't get anywhere, because these opportunities I would have never known about had I not gone to programs like this.
It helps me to learn how people are using drones in industries and in education that I wouldn't know otherwise. It also helps me network with folks. Being able to talk to other people that are in the same area is wonderful, because drones are used in so many different departments and so many different institutions that there's no way to keep track of all of that. But being able to be here and get inspiration is what really is the cool thing about it.
This has been fantastic. For one, I just love the whole droning on and how it's just reaching out to all the different regions. So much education could be learned through drones, and the part of STEM and bringing that into the classroom is just phenomenal. Opens up the whole door for all of aviation.
I have a great-granddaughter who's 6 years old, and she syndicated some interest in drones. We never knew in a city where to go, what to do. And so once we heard about it, and this has just really been amazing to me. Again, whole new level of exposure, new level of world, even for a 78-year-old man like this for me. And I've never seen this before.
I loved hearing from all the other people. There was this lady from Texas who was actually a pilot, and that was pretty amazing to meet her. We actually got to build a drone, which was pretty cool. I've never been here before, but I loved seeing the campus. And it's just really inspiring to see other women and just seeing how drones are being used today and how they could be used in the future.
We're in a time where technology and regulation are changing month to month. And we're looking at a job market that it's difficult to get people into jobs. And there's an entire new realm of work that's coming.
It's just awesome to get out here and share some of our knowledge that we've gained with the community. I fell in love with drones probably 10 years ago, and once you kind of start flying them, you really fall in love with it. And I just want to share that experience and all the building that we've been able to do with the greater drone community, and just try to promote safety and enable people to really go out there and get great shots and enjoy themselves.
No, I mean, this is a really great thing. This is the first time I've really seen a film festival around the local Southern California area. I think they're in their third year though, so they've been around, but it's good to hear to get everyone together who has an interest in drones and the future of drones. And, it's an evolving industry, so there's a lot of new technology. Well, at Drone Spirit we have a few projects that are in the festival, so we're hoping to maybe see them on the screen, maybe win an award, I don't know, we'll see.
The Drone Film Festival highlights drone cinematography and aerial storytelling, aerial cinematography. We're real lucky and privileged to have a lot of great photographers and aerial cinematographers here to share their insight and share their knowledge about what's going on. The FAA is even helping out about how drones can work in cinematography and what the regulations are and what they can and can't do taking pictures from the air. So again, it's a really, really great event and a really great opportunity for people to learn what they can about drones.
As a drone enthusiast, it's not only really fun for me, but it's a good way to give back to the community. I found that drones isn't really well known even at my school at a high school level. So to me, it's kind of important to teach about at a young level, especially since there are new jobs and opportunities coming up. And I'm just trying to do my part and have fun at the same time.
Events like this that are drone focused, it kind of opens your eyes and it shows you everything that, deeper into drones, deeper into what you're looking at. Like a program for students around the world, in high schools, colleges, to just experience drones and fly them and experience programming and everything that goes into them. It shows you a deeper understanding of it.
Hey, we had a great 3 days here in Fullerton with the Droning On California event and the Southern California Drone Film Festival. We want to say thanks to everybody that comes. Get ready for next year's event.